Hello, this is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team in Oklahoma, where we specialize in residential investment property in the Oklahoma City and the Tulsa markets. So, you've got a lot of options. If you're somebody that wants to invest your money, you got a lot of options. You can buy individual stocks, you can buy mutual funds, you can buy annuities, you can buy fixed incomes, and you can buy real estate. Now, the one thing as an investment specialist for the last 36 years, and as an investor myself, is I tell people I'm invested in fixed incomes, I'm invested in the stock market, I'm also invested in real estate. And there's always a best time to buy, I think. Now, I am not an expert stock picker. I have to depend on professionals for this. But the one thing that I know is I didn't buy any homes during COVID. Why? People were going sky high with their bids on homes. They were overbidding these things from ridiculous. So I'm not gonna buy real estate at that time. Stock market today is incredibly high. I'm invested in the Magnificent Seven and they are way up there. I bought Apple at $62.50, but it's like $270 a share at this moment. So am I buying more Apple? No, I'm not. But what's happening in real estate right now is exactly the opposite. We're back to a normal supply and demand market. And because of that reason, with these interest rates still sticky, they're better than they were at the first of the year, but they're still pretty high comparison. Now, I'm not gonna tell you that it's gonna go down to 3%, 3.5% like it was during COVID. That was a special time, special programs. It's not gonna happen. But can it go down a little bit lower? Yes, but in the meantime, we're seeing two things. First of all, I'm seeing builders giving heck of a deals. In my previous video, I talked about the discounts and the special interest rates. The second thing is inventory has increased everywhere. So because there was increased inventory, then the supply, especially in the fourth quarter, is higher and the demand is lower. In both cases, this means deals have to be made. And so there's a time for everything. Fixed incomes, when I could get 6 or 7% interest rates during COVID or right after COVID, yeah, I'm in fixed income. So understand that there are time and a place for all your investments. I'm never going to be someone that says, even though I'm an investment specialist and that's my whole business model in terms of real estate, only buy real estate. I buy other things and I can't say that you should do anything different than I would do. I like diversification. But the one thing I know right now is the safer investments, is in real estate. People have got to live somewhere. People are making deals right now. The economy, it's not growing tremendously, so I'm concerned about my stock portfolio. I'm not really buying anything at this point in terms of United States stocks. Will I do that at some time? Yeah, if there's a real dip, certainly I'm gonna buy on the dip. I think real estate is your best option at this point. If you're a serious investor, you wanna create wealth for you and your family in the long term. That's the goals that we have. That's the goal I set for my wife and I. We work on that. It's the goals I set for you. I'm dedicated to creating wealth for you, but also trying to create a safe environment to invest in to keep the risk level down. Let us know if you're interested. We got some great deals right now in both the Oklahoma City and the Tulsa market. We wish you the best for the end of the year and also for the next year.